Want to make extra money without quitting your day job? Who doesn't, right? In this video, I'm going over the top 5 trending side hustles that could earn you some serious cash in 2024. We're talking about flexible, in-demand gigs that you can start quickly, all while working from home. Stay tuned for quick trending side hustles in just 5 minutes. Number 1 on our list is freelance writing. It's easier than you think to get started. Businesses need blog posts, website copy, and social media captions. You don't need to be Shakespeare to succeed. Clear, engaging content is in demand. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it simple to find clients. Set your own rates, work from anywhere, and choose projects you like. Build your portfolio, increase your rates, and earn serious side income. You might be surprised at how much you can earn. Next up, we have online tutoring, a side hustle that's both rewarding and in high demand. If you're good at a subject like math, science, English, or music, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable side hustle. Platforms like TutorMe and Skooli connect you with students who need help. You can make anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour or more. Create a profile, and you can start connecting with students right away. It's flexible. Set your own hours and work around your schedule. Online tutoring is a rewarding and lucrative side hustle that makes a real difference. Are you a creative individual with a knack for design? If so, offering graphic design services could be your ticket to extra cash. In today's digital world, businesses big and small need eye-catching graphics for their websites, social media, marketing materials, and more. And the best part? You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to start. There are tons of user-friendly design tools available, like Canva, that make it easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you're a beginner. As a freelance graphic designer, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere, set your own rates, and choose projects that align with your interests. Plus, you'll be constantly learning and expanding your design skills, which is always a plus. To get started, create a portfolio of your work. Sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and start pitching your services to potential clients. With a bit of effort and creativity, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable side hustle. Now, let's talk about dropshipping, one of the most popular online business models out there, and for good reason. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without actually holding any inventory. How cool is that? Here's how it works. You create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the profit margin. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is the low startup cost. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory upfront, which makes it a great option for aspiring entrepreneurs with limited capital. Plus, with the right digital tools, you can automate many aspects of your dropshipping business, from order fulfillment to customer service. This frees up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Last but not least, we have a unique and potentially lucrative side hustle: virtual fitness coaching. With more people embracing online fitness options, there's never been a better time to become a virtual coach and help people achieve their health and wellness goals. As a virtual fitness coach, you can offer personalized workout plans, nutritional guidance, and motivational support to clients all over the world, all from the comfort of your home. You can connect with clients through video calls, emails, and fitness tracking apps, providing them with the tools and support they need to succeed. The earning potential for virtual fitness coaching can be impressive, especially if you build a strong online presence and attract a loyal clientele. Some coaches charge upwards of $100 per hour for their services. To get started, consider getting certified as a fitness professional to boost your credibility. Then, create a website or social media profiles to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. So there you have it, 5 trending side hustles that can help you unlock extra cash in 2024. Whether you're passionate about writing, teaching, design, entrepreneurship, or fitness, there's a side hustle out there for you. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is to choose something you enjoy, set realistic goals, and be consistent with your efforts. Start small, stay dedicated, and watch your bank balance grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips.